So how can you actually start an agency business? How do you go from where you are now to where you want to be? How do you shift gears and have that change in state? So people often ask me the question, how do you start an agency? As an agency founder myself, I'm sometimes a bit embarrassed to say I don't really know. I know how I started my agency with my co-founder. It might be a tactic that works for others, but I'm absolutely certain there's more than one way. In fact, there would be many ways that you can start an agency. For those who are interested, the way we started was organically. I was working as a freelance IT specialist with large companies working in on-site contract roles. My co-founder was building websites from his bedroom for local businesses, and we quite simply took literally one or two small businesses, and I managed to persuade one of my large corporate clients to come along to our new founded two-man band, and we evolved from there. The lessons we learned along the way were incredibly difficult because the two of us knew almost nothing about running a business, and the whole concept of sales, marketing yourself, finance, accounts, bank accounts, employees, contracts, proposals, all the rest of it we had to learn on the job, which, at least in our experience, was valuable because each and every lesson, each and every failure we encountered improved our knowledge and our skills. So that's one way of starting an agency or starting your own business. What way would you suggest? Let me know in the comments below.